Hi, I'm Chris Gahl, a proud co-chair of one of our important Downtown Indy Recovery Task Force. And our task force and committee has been very busy. We've had 2 successful cleanup days, 2 past Fridays where we had nearly 200 civic and community leaders and board members downtown rolling up their sleeves and beautifying the downtown, also showcasing the fact that we're open for business and that we're safe and welcoming. In addition to that, our banner program has taken up into the streets of downtown Indianapolis. You can see Back Downtown as you go in the Mile Square, and that street banner program is part of our committee's work. In addition to that, marketing dollars with the campaign Back Downtown have been in the market, encouraging businesses and residents alike to get back downtown with key messages about being safe and welcoming. And finally, we will have many live events, including one at White River State Park, a concert with local performers, and we'd invite you all to come downtown for all the events to explore. Our committee is busy, and we're focused, and we're actionable, and we're proud to be part of the larger task force. Thank you.